Today, we will be making cough drops, which will give pleasure to your throat. So, the ingredients are as follows: ginger, cloves, pepper, lemon, honey, and sugar. Here we have half cup water, 1 cup sugar, 2 spoons of honey. So we have lemon, which will only need half. We have cloves, we have pepper, white or black.
So 1 cup sugar and half cup water. So we have to keep on the gas for 20 minutes, and at the same time we will mix all the ingredients in it. All the ingredients goes in it. Stir it. Keep stirring. After 20 minutes of boiling, but you need to keep stirring. So add 2 big spoons of honey in it. Okay. These are 2 plates, and I have put little bit ghee, very little. See, you can't see it. So see, this is how it has to come. And in 1 cup sugar, there will be lot coming. So you need at least 3 to 4 plates. And if you are making it first time, please try to make little amount, and then once it is coming perfectly, you make it next. Okay. So once it is solid, you can take them out like this. Slowly, and all of them. A little bit mix the sugar powder, and then mix it, and then store into the container. Please store them into the freezer, and whenever you need, pick and eat one of them. Thank you for watching.